Hey people, today I'm here with another amazing book from Marksman Publications by O.P. Verma. Yes, I'm talking about this amazing objective general studies for IS, PCS, UPSC and other competitive examinations. Okay, so this book is divided section wise and chapter wise, just like all the Marksman books are divided for your ease. Coming to the content, here the book is divided into 10 sections. History of India, Indian national movement, world geography, Indian polity and governance, economic and social development, environment and ecology, general science, general awareness and state general awareness. Alright, okay, so you are going to get 500 general studies question papers here and you can practice until you feel like you are prepared for your exam. You are going to get so many MCQs inside this book. You can completely rely on this book for your own practice while you appearing for a competitive examination. We have also added a lot of new questions this year in this very book. Coming to the price part, this book retails for just a nominal price of $625. Now you must be thinking why I'm saying that it's a nominal price. See, if you consider it from that point of view that you don't have to buy multiple books while preparing for your general knowledge, you can completely accept the fact that it's a nominal price. You don't have to go for multiple books. You can completely rely on this particular book because we have covered all the possible content here to just back you up. Alright, so coming to the purchasing part, you can purchase this book from any of your nearby offline store, or what you can do is just go online on Amazon, Snapdeal or Flipkart. You can buy it from there as well. If you are not able to find the book anywhere, what you can do is just mention your queries or whatever issues you are facing in the comment section below and we will surely get back to you. We will try to make the book available to you. Okay, also if you feel like any of your friend needs the book, any of your friend is appearing for a competitive examinations, don't forget to share the book so that the video can prove to be useful for them as well. I'm just going to give a quick glance to you of the book so that you can see how the book looks like. There are so many MCQs over here. You can see it yourself. Alright, so this is how the book looks like. Now if you feel you need another video of any book from Marksman Publications, you can surely mention the same in the comment section below. Alright, thank you. I'll be coming again with another amazing book from Marksman.